Hey everyone, we're the Bytespace team, and the team has been working towards one vision, and that is to eliminate repetitive work with smart automation. Because the problem is automation isn't being adopted because it's hard to use. Nobody knows what to automate. Now, with the team, we started thinking about a product that can sit on your computer, record everything you do, and the moment you start doing something repetitive, bam, you get your web agent, you upload your work, and then you keep focusing on what you really want to do.
Now, while Andre queues up the demo, I'll tell you a little bit about how Bytespace is bringing us one step closer to that vision. So on Bytespace, there's three ways that you can build. The first way is to record your workflow, like Andre talked about, where you hit record, and then it starts analyzing all of the actions that you take on the web. Whether you're scrolling, clicking, inserting code, whatever it is, it will grab all of that, and then it will create a workflow skeleton for you. And the second way that you build is through manual editing. With a drag and drop node editor, you can see there's 27 different nodes that correspond to all the different types of things that you can do on a website. When you select a node, you get a simple form that you fill out. Once you fill that form, it will create the block for you. And once he clicks next, you'll test the block and you can see it filling out that specific form. And also this cursor that you see on the screen, that agent, we call him Chomp. Cool. And the last way that you can build is using AI prompt to action. So you can describe the action that you want to do on a specific website. Then the AI will analyze that website, look for the specific button or function that you're trying to call, and it will create the node block for you. These three ways of building go hand in hand. You can use the recording functionality to get a skeleton. Then you use the manual editing as well as the AI prompt to edit your workflows or tweak them to exactly what you want so that they're production ready. And it takes a second, but it's selecting from all of the different automation blocks there, and it will select the block, fill out the form for you, and then it will create the step.
But I did it wrong. So the only way you can fix this, because we're all about doing deterministic workflows, just tell, hey, you did it wrong, and then you select again. And that's it. Like it'll learn forever.
Cool. And we won't run this workflow. We've come up with a more entertaining workflow for this specifically. We found a way to market V0 to more founders on the web. So in this workflow, you're going to use three different apps: Notion databases, V0 to generate a website component, and then we're going to use X and DM someone directly, the component that we created on V0.
And then it's going to keep on iterating on this list. But yeah, that's basically it. So we can leave this running, and I'm happy to answer any questions with Car, because I don't know, I'm excited to answer any questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm curious about the types of workflows that you think are just most interesting, because like mass messaging people is like less compelling to me. But like, I'm curious about like what are the other use cases that are.
Yeah, so we have a bunch of different use cases. People have built maybe 600 workflows on Bytespace so far, and they range by industry. But one that I really liked was live real estate data. So it would go grab real estate listings from realtor.com in a specific zip code, do a deep research on Perplexity, grab the entire report without the Perplexity API. Then it would go to WhatsApp without using the WhatsApp API, and then send the message to you in a report. And we have users using that specific report 24/7. Like they get a report every 15 minutes, every time there's a new listing posted on that site. We also see people on Instagram that are going and doing something like finding people that have greater than 10K followers, then looking at their links. If they don't have a website in their link, then it'll go and market website services to them. We have people doing government forms, moving forms. When you move, you have to update all of your banks, all of the different addresses in all these different places. And so we go and create agents to do all of those kinds of things.
But the end goal with the recording functionality, one thing is people think they can prompt an AI and do this web agents, but they actually hate it because obviously it cannot read your mind. The best way is to record, and then based on that, build this building blocks that will repeat itself. And whenever you call them, one very cool thing about Bytespace is that it costs us 23 cents to run an hour of workflow compared to $1 every 5 minutes on the different platforms. So that's why we get a lot of usage. Another question.
Okay, that's time. Okay, awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Well, yeah, we're always going to send the message.
But yeah, we'll go into like the DM message.